Hello out there, welcome again to this tutorial on fractions. In this video we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of fractions. So we start with the first problem. Simplify A, 5 over 8 plus 1 over 4, B, 4 over 7 plus 2 over 5, and C, 5 over 12 plus 4 over 5. So we start with problem 1A. For problem 1A, for addition of fractions, we look at the denominators. The denominators here are 8 and 4. So we find the LCM of 8 and 4. And the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8, since 4 can divide 8 without remainder. Therefore, the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So we keep the LCM as the denominator. Then we take this LCM, which is 8, divide by 8 gives 1. And 1 times 5 gives 5. So we have the 5. Then plus 8 divided by 4 gives 2. 2 times 1 gives 2. So we have it as 2. We now add the result we have at the numerator here. So that will give us 5 plus 2, which gives 7 over 8. That is the sum of 5 over 8 and 1 over 4. So we go to B part of the problem. For B part, the denominators are 7 and 5. Since they cannot divide each other and there is no common factor there, so what we do to find the LCM is to multiply out the denominators. That is 7 times 5, which gives 35. So we have the 35 as the denominator. So we say 35 divided by 7 gives 5. 5 times 4 gives 20. We have the 20, then plus 35 divided by 5 gives 7. 7 times 2 gives 14. So we now add the result we have at the numerator here. 20 plus 14 gives 34 over 35. That is the sum of 4 over 7 and 2 over 5. So we go to C part of the problem. For C, again we find the LCM of the denominators. The denominators here are 12 and 5. So since they cannot divide each other and there is no common factor between 12 and 5 other than 1, so to get the LCM we multiply them. 12 times 5 gives 60. So we have 60 as the denominator here. Then 60 divided by 12 gives 5. And 5 times 5 gives 25. Then bring the plus. 60 divided by 5 gives 12. 12 times 4 gives 48. Then we add the result we have at the numerator. 25 plus 28 gives 73. So we have 73 over 60. So this is an improper fraction. So to resolve this as mixed fraction, we say 73 divided by 60. It goes only one time. And remember 13. That is 73 minus 60, which gives 13 over 60. That is the sum of 5 over 12 and 4 over 5. So we have done justice to problem 1. We go to problem 2. For problem 2, we have to simplify 2 whole number 2 over 3 plus 5 over 6. B, 3 whole number 4 over 5 plus 1.5. So we start with A part of the problem. To solve this problem, we are going to change these mixed fractions to improper fractions. We have done that in our first video on fractions. So what we do to convert it to improper fraction is the whole number multiplied by the denominator, then plus the numerator. so that we now have it as 2 times 3 gives 6. 6 plus 2 gives 8 over 3. We still maintain this denominator, then plus 5 over 6. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6, because 3 can divide 6 without remainder. So we have the LCM as 6. We pick the LCM. 6 divided by 3 gives 2. 2 times 8 gives 16. We have the 16, then plus 6 divided by 6 gives 1. 1 times 5 gives 5. Then we add the numerators here. 16 plus 5 gives 21 over 6. If you can see, 3 divides 21 and at the same time it divides 6. So we say 6 divided by 3 gives 2 and 21 divided by 3 gives 7. So we have our answer as 7 over 2, and this is an improper fraction. We should not leave our answer as improper fraction, so we change it to mixed fractions. 7 divided by 2 gives 3 remainder 1. We have it as 3 whole number 1 over 2. Then we immediately go to the B part of the problem, which is 3 whole number 4 over 5 plus 1 whole number 1 over 2. So we change this one again to improper fraction. It is possible you add 3 to 1, which gives 4, then simplify the fraction, then add the fraction to the whole number. But here I am choosing the option of changing to improper fraction. To change this to improper fraction, we have 3 times 5, which gives 15. 15 plus 4 gives 19. So I have 19 over the denominator, then plus 1 times 2 gives 2 plus 1 gives 3 over 2. We now find the LCM of 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So we have the 10 as the denominator here. We take the 10. 10 divided by 5 gives 2. 2 times 19 gives 38. So we have the 38, then plus 10 divided by 2 gives 5. 5 times 3 gives 15. 38 plus 15, 5 plus 3 gives 5 plus 8 gives 13. 3, 4, that will give us 53 over 10. 53 over 10 is an improper fraction. To write it as a proper fraction, that is a mixed fraction, we have 53 divided by 10, which goes 5 times, remember 3 over 10. So we have done justice to problem 2. So we go to problem 3. So for problem 3, we have to simplify A, 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3, B, 3 over 4 minus 4 over 9, and C, 11 over 13 minus 3 over 5. So we start from A. From 3A, we have 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3. In the same way, we are going to find the LCM of 6 and 3. And the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So we have the 6 as the common denominator here. So we say 6 divided by 6 gives 1. 1 times 5 gives 5. Then we bring in the minus. 6 divided by 3 gives 2. 2 times 2 gives 4. We have 5 minus 4, which gives 1 over 6. That is the difference between 5 over 6 and 2 over 3. So we go to problem 3b. For 3b again, we look at the denominators. The denominators are 4 and 9. The LCM of 4 and 9 is to multiply 4 and 9. Since there is no common factor and they cannot divide each other. So the best way to find the LCM is to multiply 4 by 9, which gives 36, which forms the new denominator here. So we say 36 divided by 4 gives 9. 9 times 3 gives 27. So minus 36 divided by 9 gives 4. 4 times 4 gives 16. We have 27 minus 16 over 36. 27 minus 16 gives 11. So you can see 7 minus 6, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So we have it as 11 over 36, which gives the difference between 3 over 4 and 4 over 9. We go to C part of the problem. For C, the denominators are 13 and 5. Again, 13 cannot divide 5, neither can 5 divide 13, and their common factor is 1. So to find the LCM, we multiply. So multiplying 13 by 5, we have a 65, which is the denominator here now. So 65 divided by 13 gives 5. 5 times 11 gives 55. Then minus 65 divided by 5 gives 13. 13 times 3 gives 39. So we have 39. 55 minus 39 gives 16. So 16 over 65. And 16 over 65 is the difference between 11 over 13 and 3 over 5. So we have done justice to problem 3. So we go to problem 4. For problem 4, we have A, 1 whole number 3 over 4 minus 5 over 8. B, 5 whole number 2 over 3 minus 4 whole number 1 over 4. So I start from problem 4A, and here we are going to change these mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 1 times 4 gives 4, 4 plus 3 gives 7. So I will have 7 over 4, then minus 5 over 8. Then we now find the LCM of 4 and 8. Again, the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8, because 4 divides 8 without remainder. So we have the LCM as 8. 8 divided by 4 gives 2. 2 times 7 gives 14. Minus 8 divided by 8 gives 1. 1 times 5 gives 5. So 14 minus 5 gives 9 over 8. This is an improper fraction. So to express it as mixed fraction, 9 divided by 8 gives 1, remainder 1 over 8. So that is the solution of the difference between 1 whole number 3 over 4 minus 5 over 8. Then to the B part of the problem, we have 5 whole number 2 over 3 minus 4 whole number 1 over 4. We still have option of saying 5 minus 4, then we subtract the fractional part of the numbers. But here we are going to change to improper fraction. That's 5 times 3, 15 plus 2 gives 17 over 3, minus 4 times 4 gives 16 plus 1, 17 over 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 3 times 4, which gives 12. So we have the LCM as 12. 12 divided by 3 gives 4. 4 times 17 gives 68. 12 divided by 4 gives 3. 3 times 17 gives 51. So I have 68 minus 51, which gives 17 over 12. 17 over 12 is an improper fraction. To change it to mixed fractions, we have 17 divided by 12, it goes 1 time, remainder 5 over 12. The difference between 5 whole number 2 over 3 and 4 whole number 1 over 4 is 1 whole number 5 over 12. So we are done with problem 4. We go to problem 5. This is combination of problems with addition and subtraction. So we start with problem 5A, and for 5A we are going to change to improper fraction. 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, 11 over 3, then plus 7 over 12. change this one to improper fraction. 1 times 6 gives 6 plus 1 gives 7. So we have it as minus 7 over 6. Here we are going to find the LCM of 3, 12, and 6. To find the LCM, 3 divides 12 without remainder, 6 divides 12 without remainder, so 12 is the LCM of 3, 12, and 6. So we say 12 divided by 3 gives 4 times 11 gives 44, then plus 12 divided by 12 gives 1, 1 times 7 gives 7, then minus 12 divided by 6 gives 2. 2 times 7 gives 14. So we simplify the numerators. So 44 plus 7 gives 51. So we say 51 minus 14. So here we can say 1 minus 4. We borrow 1, 11 minus 4 gives 7. So we are left with 4 here. 4 minus 1 gives 3. So we have 37 over 12. 37 divided by 12 goes 3, remainder 1 over 12. So the simplification of this problem in 5a is 3 whole number 1 over 12. We go to B part of the problem. For B, we are going to change this to improper fraction. 1 times 5 gives 5 plus 4. We have 9 over 5 minus 2 times 2 gives 4 plus 1, 5 over 2 plus 9 over 10. So the LCM of 5, 2, and 10 is 10. 5 can divide 10, 2 can divide 10. So the LCM is 10. 10 divided by 5 gives 2 times 9 gives 18 minus 10 divided by 2 gives 5 times 5, 25. 10 divided by 10 gives 1 times 9, 9. So what we do now is, it is possible to say 18 plus 9, which gives 27. Then 27 minus 25 gives 2 over 10. And 2 divides 2 to give us 1. And 10 divides 2 to give 5. Your answer must be in the simplest form. So 2 over 10 is not in the simplest form, but we have done justice by changing it to the simplest form, which involves dividing both numerator and denominator by factor 2. So we have treated that one in our first video on fractions. So we now look at mental mathematics aspect of addition and subtraction of fractions. So do you know that 2 plus half is 2.5? If you're adding a whole number to a fraction, or a fraction to a whole number, it's just to bring the whole number and the fraction together. Also, 5 plus 3 over 7 gives 5 whole number, 3 over 7. Do you know that? Then 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5 is equal to 1. Oh, the explanation is simple. They have common denominator, 5 here, 5 here. Then you look at the numerators. If you add the numerators, does it give you the common denominator? If yes, then the sum of the two fractions is 1. We can also see it here as 1 whole number, 3 over 10 plus 7 over 10 is equal to 2. How do we get that? We can see 3 plus 7 here gives 10, and that 10 is the common denominator. So 3 over 10 plus 7 over 10 gives 1. Adding into this one gives 2. So we can easily add fractions in this form without going a long stress of calculation. So also, do you know that 1 minus 2 over 5 is equal to 3 over 5? 1 minus 2 over 5 is as good as saying, oh, 5 minus 2, which gives 3 over 5. Then we can see that here 2 minus 3 over 5 is equal to 1 whole number 5 over 3. We know that 2 is 1 plus 1, so we keep that 1. We now have 1 minus 3 over 8, which will just be 8 minus 3 and gives 5 over 8 to give one whole number 5 over 8. This is the highest we can take in this video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Until we come your way again, goodbye.